Beards have been popular for the last few years as a style statement around the world, and men across the world have embraced facial hair ever since. Whether you're considering a change of your beard style or are in need of a beard growing plan, this video will help you with the right tips to way to grow your beard faster. In this video, you will learn how to grow your beard faster, beard growth tips, and how to grow beard naturally. 1. Diet. Maintaining a balanced diet with foods rich in protein will contribute to building a stronger, healthier beard. Low iron levels are often linked with hair loss, so make sure to have an iron-rich diet. Omega-3 fatty acids too contribute to keeping your hair healthy, so it is vital for you to include these in your diet to grow a beard naturally. 2. Supplements. To grow beard faster, a balanced diet is key, but taking supplements can aid in faster growth and making your hair shiny, thick and healthy. Therefore, you should take 2.5 mg of biotin supplements every day. 3. Getting rest. Testosterone is an essential ingredient in growing a thick, masculine beard. One of the best way to grow your beard naturally is to increase your body's testosterone level. Sleeping gives your body a chance to regenerate the hormone, in turn giving your beard the secret manly ingredient. Getting a full 8 hours of sleep is a suggestion from which most modern men could benefit. 4. Growing a beard. Keep your skin clean and start exfoliating with a scrub on a regular basis. This is essential because clean skin encourages your hair follicles to grow. Additionally, exfoliating regularly also keeps your skin smooth and prevents ingrown hairs. You must also start using a beard cream to moisturize your facial hair while providing nourishment to your growing beard cuticles. 5. Quality products. To grow beard faster, using beard care products can make the itchy stages more comfortable and help you to grow a thicker beard. Beard oils and balms will help to make your facial hair softer. Look for products that clean, style, and soften your beard. Some beard products containing ingredients like jojoba oil do claim to encourage growth. 6. Additional beard growth tips. As you grow your beard out, your face will be itchy and possibly flaking. Make sure you hydrate every day with a decent beard oil to nourish your skin and beard. Do not think about shaving or trimming, as it will likely make it look worse, and you will end up once again at the stubble stage. Once your beard has grown to your desired length, you can start trimming and shaping it, either at home or at your local barber. Tip number 1. Exfoliate your skin once a week. This will help remove dead cells, stimulate hair growth, and that's exactly how to get full beard on face naturally. Tip number 2. Wash your skin with warm water using a mild cleanser twice a day. Clean skin accelerates hair growth. Tip number 3. Eucalyptus helps promote facial hair growth, so use a moisturizer with eucalyptus as the main ingredient and massage it on your face to grow your beard faster. Tip number 4. Make sure you sleep well, as this will help repair damaged skin cells and promote beard growth. Tip number 5. Certain vitamins and minerals help increase the speed at which facial hair grows. Include vitamins A, B, C and E in your diet, as they speed up the hair growth process. Tip number 6. Keep a tab on ingrown hair. Beards usually don't grow evenly if there are ingrown hairs on your face. Here are some home remedies to prevent ingrowths. Tip number 7. Take 2.5 mg of biotin every day to help your beard grow faster. Tip number 8. Beards will grow more quickly when you are relaxed, and many beauty and health experts believe hair reveals stress. Manage stress in healthy ways through meditation and yoga for better results. Tip number 9. Increase the amount of protein in your diet. Tip number 10. Refrain from shaping or trimming your hair very often. Groom your beard only after 6 weeks when it is full grown. Tip number 11. Facial massage improves blood circulation to the face, which will stimulate new hair growth. Tip number 12. The popular logic that shaving every day makes beards grow faster is a myth. There is no scientific research to prove it. Tip number 13. In case you experience itching or rashes during the initial days of growth, apply hydrocortisone cream to your face. Tip number 14. Amla oil is a natural remedy to increase facial hair growth. Massage your skin with amla oil and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse your face with cold water and then clean it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.